Today's Latin phrase is animus nocendi. It literally means intention to harm. It looks like mens rea, but we'll look at the difference in a moment. To have animus nocendi, 3 conditions must be fulfilled. The actor knows about the law which prohibits a specific action, and this knowledge is a priori. See our video on a priori to know what it means. He also knows what the outcome or consequence of the action will be, and he has the intention of breaking that law or acting against it or wanting to hurt somebody. Note that if the accused pleads that he didn't know of the law, he won't be excused. As the maxim says, ignorantia juris non excusat. But that's for another video. Let's look at some sentences to know its practical use. The circumstances provided the animus nocendi for the accused to commit the offense. Since there was no evidence of any deliberate attempt to prejudice the petitioner, the court held that there was no animus nocendi on the part of the respondent. The accused has demonstrated animus nocendi by excavating technical illegal means from the provisions of the Criminal Procedure Code CRPC instead of complying with the directions given by the court. Let's look at the difference between mens rea and animus nocendi. Mens rea is a guilty mind. You don't have to know about the law which prohibits the specific action, know the outcome or consequence of the action, or have the intention of breaking the law or acting against it. So, kicking a dog shows a mens rea, but no animus nocendi because there is no law against kicking dogs. But when you break somebody's car, you have animus nocendi, and you can't say you didn't know about the law because ignorantia juris non excusat. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.